Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would jump start your car. First you're going to need to go through if your battery is completely dead, you'll go through the way to get into your vehicle via the key, manual key, or to open and then to unlock the hood. So once you've unlocked the hatch to the hood, then of course you're going to raise the hood, put your support there, and you're going to get the hood. Here's your battery, and then sometimes you check, maybe these came loose, and that can be your issue. Otherwise it's not, and you're going to need a jump. Okay, so there's two ways. There's either a jump box, and with the jump box you put the positive here, put the negative here. Always put the positive on the positive, which is the red, and then the negative on the black, or the black over here, right? So this is just a jump box, and we'll just start with putting the negative side on. Okay. You just connect that there, and then connect that there, and then wait a few minutes or a minute, and then you go ahead and start your car. You're going to want to check, is it your battery was dead because you left the lights on? Is the battery gone bad? Or is your alternator went bad, so then your battery has drained its depletion? You'll check all that stuff either with a scanner or a voltmeter, and then you can once you've come up with the diagnosis, then you can take your vehicle and you can buy a new battery and put a new battery in, or if you got to buy an alternator, charge your battery and get an alternator, put that on. So that's one if you have a jumper box. And the other way, if you don't have a jumper box, you've got your just basic cables, regular jumper cables. And the way it's recommended that you hook these up is you hook you got to hook this one to a good ground, hook your negative to a good ground on the car. Find the best bolt you can that looks to the frame. Looks good over here. So over here we have the frame and fender. Here, got on this frame fender bolt right there. Like these bolts aren't going to do anything because they go into plastic, so you got to make sure it's onto the actual metal of the vehicle. Then take your positive, connect it up to there, and then you would take the other leads to go to your other vehicle and connect them to the positive and negative of the other vehicle to charge your battery. Charge your battery a little bit, good 5-10 minutes, and then start your car. And then again, you go through your diagnostic and check to make sure your alternator's putting out what it needs to charge the battery, or if it's time that you need a new battery, go ahead and do that. And that's how you do that. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.